Radhe Krishna everyone, welcome to my new vlog. It is 9:57. I am just my finish my workout and got fresh and now I am having my breakfast. Session 1 of Advanced Accounting Chapter 11 Unit 1 is completed. I have finished all the lectures. After that I clean my room and now I am having my lunch. I attended my company at Bachelor lecture while having tea. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Radhe Krishna.